Chickens are farm birds that give us eggs. They come in many colors and sizes. Roosters crow loudly to wake up the morning. Roosters have bright red combs on their heads. They protect the hens and crow cock-a-doodle-doo. They are brave and proud birds. Hens are mother chickens. They lay eggs and care for their chicks. They cluck softly to call their babies. Pigeon dove. Doves are symbols of peace. They are gentle birds with soft coos. Their feathers can be white, gray, or brown. Barn owl. Barn owls have heart-shaped faces. They fly quietly through the night. They live in barns and eat mice. Snowy owl. Snowy owls are white like snow. They live in the Arctic and hunt during the day. Their yellow eyes shine bright in the cold. Great horned owl. This owl has horns made of feathers. It has a deep hoo-hoo call. It is a strong hunter in forests and deserts. Barn swallow. Barn swallows build nests from mud. They swoop and twist in the air, catching insects. Their tails are shaped like scissors. Spoonbills have flat, spoon-shaped beaks. They sweep their beaks through the water to catch food. Their feathers are white or pink. Ibises have long, curved bills. They wade in shallow water looking for bugs. In some countries, they are sacred birds. Egrets are tall, white birds that stand in ponds. They move slowly to catch fish. Their feathers are used as symbols of beauty. Cormorants dive deep to catch fish underwater. They spread their wings wide to dry after swimming. Fishermen sometimes train them to help fish. Grebes are water birds with fluffy feathers. They can dive and swim underwater very well. Their chicks often ride on their parents' backs. Loons are diving birds with red eyes. Their calls echo beautifully across lakes. They are amazing swimmers but clumsy on land. Kookaburras laugh like people when they call. They live in Australia and eat insects and small lizards. Their laughter fills the forest. Lyrebirds can copy almost any sound, even cameras and chainsaws. The males spread their tail feathers like a lyre. They are master mimics. Emus are giant flightless birds from Australia. They run fast and have fluffy feathers. The dads care for the eggs and chicks. Cassowaries have blue necks and helmet-like heads. They live in rainforests and can be dangerous if scared. They love eating fruits. Kiwis are small birds from New Zealand. They have long noses and can't fly. They come out only at night to find worms. Roadrunners are speedy desert birds. They run faster than many animals. They catch lizards and insects on the move.